Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change password in your Coinzoom app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Coinzoom app and then get logged into your account. Once you type in your email and password, hit the login button and get your access to your Coinzoom account. Then simply hit the settings option on the right hand side of the corner and then hit the account settings option. Now tap on the change password, and once you tap it on, you can simply type in your current password of your account, then the new password of your account, and you need to confirm your password again by typing it in. So after you do so, you need to hit the update button, and after you do this, you will receive an OTP. Once you type in your OTP, your password of your Coinzoom app will be changed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.